Hello everybody, this is Mahita. Welcome to Smart Education in Your Hands. Today we are going to learn about the UPSC previous year questions on the topic Indus Valley Civilization. If you missed the first three parts of this series, then please go to the playlist and watch those parts also. Okay, before moving on to the topic, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, let's move on to the topic. Which of the following Harappan sites shows the earliest evidence of earthquake? A. Harappa, B. Mohenjo-daro, C. Kalibangan, D. Dholavira. And the answer is Kalibangan. Okay. And three-paired symmetry was found in A. Kalibangan, B. Lothal, C. Chanhudaro, D. Mohenjo-daro. And the answer is B. Lothal. Because Lothal is a three-party city, which is first part will be citadel and the lower town and dockyard. So it is a three-party city. So three-paired symmetry was found at Lothal. And which among the following is not a site of Indus Valley civilization? A. Banavali, B. Rakhigari, C. Hastinapur, and D. Ropa. And the answer is C. Hastinapur. On which object do we mainly find the inscription of Harappan civilization? A. On pillars, B. On rocks, C. On caves, D. On seals. And the answer is D. On seals. Which site of Harappan civilization has yielded a beautiful bronze image of a chariot? Chariot. A. Daimabad, B. Mohenjo-daro, C. Kalibangan, D. Rakigiri. And the answer is Daimabad. Which among the following civilization was not contemporary with the Harappan civilization? A. Greek civilization, B. Egyptian civilization, C. Mesopotamian civilization, D. Chinese civilization. And the answer is Chinese civilization. In which Indus Valley civilization sites was drainage system absent? A. Banavali, B. Dholavira, C. Lothal, D. Rakhigari. And the answer is A. Banavali. Okay. Next, in which Indus Valley civilization sites the people were known to water reservoir technique? Oh, it was obvious question. Dholavira has the water reservoir. Yes. And which of the following Indus Valley civilization site gives the evidence of lipstick? A. Chanhudaro, B. Banavali, C. Mohenjo-daro, D. Kalibangan. And the answer is Chanhudaro. A. The site of Alamgirpur is located on the bank of the river A. Muskra, B. Hindon, C. Chimp, D. Badar. And the answer is B. Hindor. Hindon, sorry. In the Indus Valley civilization period, lapis lazuli was imported from A. Badakhshah, B. Iran, C. Mesopotamia, D. Gujarat. And we know that lapis lazuli is imported from Afghanistan and Badakhshah is a part in Afghanistan. From Sirisa mines in Badakhshah, they have imported the lapis lazuli. The Indus Valley civilization was father base, B. Mother base, C. Same right of mother and father, and D. None of these. Absolutely, it is a mother base system. Which of the following was one of the cause of Harappan decline? A. Ecological change, B. Earthquake, C. Aryan attack, D. All of the above. All of the above are the reasons. And but we don't know the exact reason for the decline of Harappa, but we are estimating many scientists, many historians given the answers. A plugged field was discovered at A. Harappa, B. Mohenjo-daro, C. Kalibangan, and D. Lothal. And the answer is C. Kalibangan. Which of the following Harappan city sites had bipartite division, high citadel and lower town? 1. Harappa, 2. Mohenjo-daro, 3. Kalibangan, 4. Surkota. Except Surkota, all three cities are having two-party city. Okay, both Harappa and Mohenjo-daro and Kalibangan also. Consider the following statement and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. Assertion: the worship of Mother Goddess as a feature of Harappan religion was prevalent in all the main Harappan cities. And the reason, the female terracotta figurine have been discovered in large number from Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. And the answer is, assertion is true, but the reason is false, because of course there are high number of female terracotta figures were found, but it is not the reason for worshipping mother goddess as a feature. Consider the following statements and mark the option which is correct. The first man-made port was found in Harappa, and the main crop of Indus Valley civilization were wheat and barley, and the largest Harappan settlement in India is Rakigari in Haryana. Mm, The largest number of settlements are in Gagar Hakra village. And the answer is, we can eliminate options here. See, largest Harappan settlements in India is Rakigari in Haryana. It is the wrong, because largest number of settlements was in Gujarat. Okay, the largest number of settlements are in Gagra. Okay, Gagar Hakra village. It is also absolutely wrong. So the answer is A, 1 and 2. Consider the following statements. 1. The Harappan economy was based on agriculture. In Indus Valley civilization, an elaborated drainage system are found. In Indus Valley civilization, sugarcane was unknown. And in Cote d'Ivoire, pre-Harappan settlements has not been found. And we can eliminate that. 4 is a wrong answer, because Cote d'Ivoire is the pre-Harappan settlement site. Okay, and we know that 4 is wrong, so we can eliminate C and D. There are two options, 1 and 2, and either 1 and 2 or 2 and 3. First question, the Harappan economy was based on agriculture. So 3 also, sugarcane was unknown. Yes, sugarcane was unknown to them. This is correct. Okay, in Indus Valley civilization, an elaborated drainage system is found. Of course, yes. And the Harappan economy was based on agriculture. It is not correct, because they also based on the trade also. So 1 is wrong. Answer is B. Which of the following Harappan sites are located in Haryana? Okay. A. Banavali, 1 Banavali, 2 Kalibangan, 3 Rakhigari, and 4 Roper. And we can eliminate it. Okay, we know that Haryana, Rakhigari is of Haryana, but Kalibangan is from Gagar Hakra river, which is in Gujarat, maybe. Okay, and of course the answer is 3. And Banavali, Roper. Roper is from Punjab. So 4 is also wrong. So the answer is 1 and 3. C, option C. Which of the following statements about Harappan civilization is true? Harappan culture was famous for its distinguished system of town planning, of course. And the most important public place for Mohenjo-daro seems to be Great Bath. Yes. And granary was the largest building of Mohenjo-daro. Correct. The use of baked bricks in Harappan sites is remarkable. All are correct. All of this. From this, we have completed the fourth part of the UPSC previous year questions on the topic Indus Valley Civilization. If you like my video, please like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.